Welcome to the Mack Trucks Historical Museum Truck of the Month video series. I'm Doug Maney. I'm the curator of the Mack Trucks Historical Museum. We hope you've enjoyed our Truck of the Month videos. We've enjoyed creating them for you. We quite often exercise our trucks, keep them lubricated and operating well. And we thought, why not take our friends for a ride? So we threw a camera in and voila. This time, it's going to be something a little different. We're going to create a video that shows the progress of one of our projects. This project is standing right beside me here. It's quite a tall project, and a unique one at that. It's a 1988 Mack MH6122. The extra 2 stands for a driving front axle. So ultimately, it's a four-wheel drive MH cab over. We're going to be doing some maintenance, some service, and then ultimately restoring this truck back to somewhat a factory condition. Of course, it can't all be done that way, but we're going to do our best. Our restorations are done in conjunction with the Antique Truck Club of America and their volunteer hours that they put in here at the Mack Museum. One day a week, one Saturday a month typically, is the amount of time that we can devote to some of our projects. So yes, this is going to be a long drawn out process, but we'll be pleased with it in the end, I'm sure. We hope you enjoy this video. We welcome your comments at mack.museum@macktrucks.com. If you have questions pertaining to a certain truck, please visit our website, macktruckshistoricalmuseum.org, and select the Contact Us tab in the upper right corner of the screen. That enters your request right into our request queue for processing. Follow our Facebook page and our website for the latest news regarding our reopening and some of our projects. Thank you. Have a great day.